Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're running and using Windows 11 on ARM, then just to let you know that Microsoft has finally released ISO image files for Windows 11 on ARM. And as you may well know, Microsoft has never released or offered ISO images for Windows on ARM. Now, if we head over to the download site, which I'll leave linked down below if you would be interested or you find yourself affected. Here's where you can download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for ARM-based PCs. And this is current version Windows 11 24H2. Now, what Microsoft says in this paragraph here, just to go through this quickly, this option is for users that want to create a Windows 11 on ARM virtual machine on supported hardware using an ISO file, or to install Windows 11 on ARM directly without a DVD or USB flash drive. They mention that the ISO can also be used to manually create bootable installation media like USB flash drives to install Windows 11 on ARM. And just take note, they say that this is a multi-edition ISO which uses your product key to unlock the correct edition. And something else to take note of is they say it may be necessary to include drivers from the device manufacturer for installation media to be successfully bootable. So just take note of that. And here's where you can select your download. You've got one option, as we can see, multi-edition ISO for ARM64. You can click on this link to find out more before downloading your ISO, and then you can click on download, and you've got that ISO image file of Windows 11 24H2 for Windows 11 on ARM. And just wanted to put it out there in case you would be interested and or maybe using an ARM-based PC. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.